Okay, doll. So recently your girl decided that she wanted to join the bob gang and instantly regretted it. So today I'm going to show you my technique, super simple, super easy, DIY, how to install your tape ends at home and get a professional look just like this. This is not the look for me, so let's take it up a notch and voila. We're going to get this look today, dolls. It's so easy. You're going to love it. And this is the technique that I've been following for about 2 years now. It never fails me. You get this glam, gorgeous, at home, but professionally installed tape in, and it will not take you long at all. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching, doll, because I got you, girl, and it's so easy. You will love it. So stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just jump right into it. So first things first, you're going to need 2 things, and that's going to be your tape ends and something to drink. I prefer champagne, so let's get to sipping and installing these tape ends. Now, thank you, Goo Goo Tape Ends, for sponsoring today's video. It is sponsored by Goo Goo Hair, a gorgeous hair extension provider. They have beautiful luxury installs and tape ends that are 100% human hair, Remy hair at that, and they just launched a brand new website. It is so easy to navigate, so gorgeous, so luxury, and the prices, you guys, are super affordable. Hands down, I've been wearing the same brand of tape ends for 2 years and they haven't let me down yet. So although today is sponsored by them, I normally have purchased all of my tape ends, like I said, for 2 years, and they are amazing. You'll unbox your tape ends, and you're gonna get your tape ends, you get some hair clamps, and you also will get some replacement tape, which is amazing. You'll also find some eyelash extensions in your boxes, which I think are so gorgeous, and I love their eyelash extensions, or strip lashes, and they just work really great. So today, you dolls, I'm going for a bust down middle part install, and it's the 22 inches. So that is what I ordered. I actually got 5 boxes, or 5, I don't know if you would call them bundles, but 5 sets of hair tape ends, because I like my look to be really full, but it's also going to be very seamless, undetectable, and you're going to love it. You'll be able to pull it up, wear it down, half up, half down. It's so versatile. And that's why I love this technique. So when you get your packages, they come really quick. I ordered them, and then within the next couple of days, they were at my door. So what you're seeing here is my hair. It is freshly relaxed. It is prepped already for installation. I flat ironed it, and so now we're just gonna get into this, okay? So, like I said, grab you a drink, make it more easy to go through while you're doing your install, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started, okay? So what I want to tell you guys is that the tape ends are super simple to install. You're gonna get your tape ends like this. You're gonna cut the little strips that are the little rubber bands that are holding the hair together, and I like to start peeling my tape ends, all the tape off, so that I can just move really quick. So I went ahead and put a few in the back, because to be honest, filming it like this with the lights, the camera, and everything, but having the mirror behind me and not really in the bathroom was not that functional. So I installed some in the back, and what I did was I just sectioned off my perimeter all the way around. You want to make sure that you are checking to that you are not going to be showing your tape in, so you just use the rat tail comb, the end of it, place it underneath your hair as you're lifting it up around the perimeter to make sure no tapes are going to show. So right here, this is just the sandwich method. This is the easiest method for install that I can share with you dolls. And all you do is, I'm not really using my comb as much because my nails are long, dolls. And if you know, you know, I just use my nails to part the hair. So I kind of part and go versus just parting it with the comb and all that. But you definitely can do that. But this is the technique that's been working for me. So I just kind of pull a little hair out. I'm going row by row. I started at the bottom. I go around the sides, and then I work my way up to the front. I like to save the front for last. That way I can make sure that everything is laying flat, is smooth as I'm going around doing the install. And you only need a little hair at a time. So as you can see, I'm just kind of parting, grabbing a little bit, and once you get going, you kind of start to know the amount of hair that you need in order to place your tapes. And it's called a sandwich method, where you're just going to place one tape underneath, and then you place a little bit of hair in between, enough to fit between the sandwich of the two tape ends, and then you place your other one on top. And you always want to press and squeeze to make sure that they are locked in, that the two tapes have met, that they are essentially kissing each other. And you just want to press that down really, really tight. That way you know it's laying flat, it's going to be seamless, undetectable, and you just want to make sure that you are following the pattern of your own head around in terms of like the perimeter and how you're placing them. And I like to do just kind of a rounded lay down, if you will, and then on the sides I do a diagonal, but just focusing on the back and coming all the way up until about mid head. But you have to be mindful of your leave out at the top if you have a part, to make sure that you have hair that's going to cover, because you do not want your your tape ends to be showing, because of course that's definitely not cute and definitely not the look that we're going for. So I just keep working up. I'm going for a more flat style to begin with, but for the most part, I'm going to wear it flat or straight the whole way through. So like I said, I've already flat ironed my hair. And so when I put my tape ends in, it really does give a seamless, undetectable look. But of course, if you were to curl these, it would also be sitting flawless as well. The thing I love about these tape ends is that, like I said, they're 100% human hair, so there's no tangling, there's no shedding, there is no fallout from your tape ends. Even when I wash these, which I always do weekly, because like I said, my hair is perm, so I do maintain my natural hair and wash it weekly, I haven't seen any issues with matting, tangling, or shedding of the hair. So that is very clutch and very amazing. So right here, dolls, we are moving to the side of the hair. I did want to show you just how seamless it is. These Goo Goo clips that came in the box are clutch, okay? You can use those to hold up your hair as you're installing, and you just continue this method over and over again, because literally you will just keep putting these in until you achieve the fullness and the look that you want. For me, I like my hair really full. I like it to look very luxe, but not wiggy. So I do just go ahead and try to remove the tapes, because it helps me to work faster if the tape is already removed. And you want to make sure not to get that stuck to anything else, because it is sticky. But if it does stick to something else, it's going to take away a little bit of the stick on the tape. Okay, so we just continue to work around. When I get to the sides, I do part it off. I work in a diagonal, and you can see I have that perimeter section off. So that's going to be essentially my leave out all the way around the perimeter of my head, as well as the top where my middle part is going to be. That's going to help to create that seamless look. I'm just showing you, dolls, quickly my method. I know this is a sped up video, but there are so many tutorials on YouTube about tape ends. I watched a million of them, and then I finally landed at this look, at this method. Okay, hello. Quickly, the tapes on these are really, really tight. Like, the adhesive is amazing. I've never had any issues with anything falling out, because we don't have time for that at all, girls. So when they're in, they're in, but they're not too tight to where they're damaging your hair or anything like that. They remove really easily, but the adhesive definitely does work for sure. Oh wait, this is a talk over, so I'm not supposed to be talking right now. I'm just supposed to show y'all where we are. So the camera died, so here we are. I still have this whole half to do. And the way that I like to do mine, dolls, is I do like to kind of be more mindful in the front, because I am very particular about how my hair lays across my face, because I just needed to do what it needs to do. So I got a new camera stand, so we are coming along. So I'm gonna show you, dolls, some more. We still have 2 bundles or sections or whatever you want to call them to go. So I'm just going to continue to put that around. I have my perimeter. I had it curled off or placed off. Yeah, so I just have really just this little section. So what is that, like 1,000 tapes to go? But yeah, we're gonna just keep going around, and then the same process. You just have to be mindful of where your part is. So of course I'm not gonna go any further. I need enough leave out. I mean, essentially your leave out to cover everything up. So this is, she's back. This is what we are giving, and I'm gonna just continue on around, fill in the back, just right in here, and then we're gonna be all set. I'll be right back. Like I was saying, you just continue the same process around. I have used the method where you part everything off and you just continue using your comb and work your way up. That works great too, but for me it was just a little too technical, and I think it flowed better, at least in my case, where I just kind of parted with my fingers and caught the rhythm. Okay, so I didn't show all of the install because, dolls, I had to put me first, and sitting in front of the camera with the lights and all of that, I just felt like I needed to concentrate on my install, because at the end of the day I needed her to look really, really bossy, really nice. So dolls, I had to put myself first. But here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed creating it for you. I think that it came out flawless. What do you think? A quick another before, and we are here at the after. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we do have an outro, so hold on for 1 second for that. And I will leave a discount code for you guys. Go check out Goo Goo Hair. Thank you again for sponsoring this video. I love this hair. I'm so glad to partner with them because I am such a fan for the past 2 years. Love you guys. Comment below and let me know what you guys think about this look. And one other thing is I do get the 22 inches. So for that reason, I got 5 packs of the hair, because you know, the longer the inches, the shorter or the thinner the weft. So I wanted it to be full, and it's not full or giving wiggy, as you dolls can see here. It's just a really nice, very luxe, elevated look. So be sure to let me know what you think below, but don't come for me, girl. This is just my technique and wanted to share. Okay, dolls, here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed my installation tape-in video that I filmed for you guys today. I think that the hair is just amazing, and I've been raving about Goo Goo for the past almost 2 years now, so you guys have got to give them a try. They have a gorgeous new website where it's so easy to navigate, and all of the products are so amazing. Of course, this video is sponsored by Goo Goo Hair, so thank you for that. But even if it wasn't, you guys, I have been raving about their hair long before I even started partnering with them. So trust me, this is an honest review, and I absolutely love the hair. It's all I wear ever since I found them. So please make sure to check them out. I will definitely list the discount code that I have for you dolls below in the description box. All the information will be there. So easy, so affordable, but so gorgeous. Like, this is just amazing. And the fact that you guys saw that transformation, and just how fantastic and easy, you know, this was so quick and easy, and I always surprise myself. I always surprise myself at how nice they are. So anyways, dolls, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye.